Hello everyone! You're watching Social Media Library. Today, we're diving into one of the most essential topics in marketing, the basics of social media marketing. Whether you're new to the world of social media or looking to promote your brand or business, this video is for you. We'll break down what social media marketing is, why it's essential, and how to pick the right platform to help your brand stand out and connect with your audience. So let's get started. Social media marketing is the process of using social media platforms to promote your business, brand, or services. This can involve creating content, launching ad campaigns, or building connections with your audience. The main goal of social media marketing is to capture attention, build relationships with potential customers, and strengthen ties with existing ones. By using different platforms, you can showcase your brand's strengths, bring it closer to your audience, and boost loyalty. Now that we have an idea of what social media marketing is, let's look at why it's so important to choose the right platform. Each social media platform attracts different audiences, features unique content styles, and offers varied ways to engage. Choosing the right one helps you communicate more effectively and make your brand message resonate. For instance, if your target audience is mostly young people, platforms like TikTok or Instagram may be ideal. If you're aiming for a more professional audience focused on networking, LinkedIn could be your best option. The key is to consider your audience's interests, demographics, and communication style that best represents your brand. Next, let's focus on the concept of a target audience. This refers to people who might be interested in your brand or product. To identify the right platform, you need to know who your audience is. Ask yourself, who are these people? What are their interests? What's their age range? Where do they spend most of their time online? Answering these questions can help you choose the right platform and create content that resonates with your audience. Now, let's go over some of the most popular social platforms and see which one might work best for you. Starting with Instagram, known for its emphasis on visual content, it's widely popular with users aged 18 to 34. This platform is perfect for brands that can attract customers through images and videos. Then we have Facebook. As one of the oldest and most widely used platforms, it reaches a broad audience of all ages and is a great tool for launching ads. TikTok is extremely popular among young people and is all about short-form video content, which is ideal for brands that can produce trendy, entertaining content. For professionals looking to network, LinkedIn is your go-to. Finally, Pinterest is ideal for brands that want to share visually inspiring content in areas like fashion, home decor, and food. Now that we've covered the most popular social media networks, how do you pick the right one? Rule number 1, focus on your audience. Find out where they spend most of their time. If you're in a professional field, like consulting or HR, LinkedIn is a fantastic platform for building your brand image. If you're in a creative business, like fashion, design, or photography, Instagram and Pinterest are more suited to your needs. Don't be afraid to experiment with different platforms, as some brands may find success on multiple networks. Thank you for watching Social Media Library today. I hope this video helped you understand the basics of choosing a platform for SMM and the importance of focusing on your audience. If you'd like to learn more about social media marketing, be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave your questions in the comments. Don't miss our upcoming videos, where we'll dive into platform-specific strategies. See you in the next video.